So how to get started with Heygen's new moving Photo Avatar feature. First, go to your dashboard on the left, and under Assets, click Avatars. Slide over to Photo Avatar and click Create Photo Avatar. From there, you have two options: upload your own image or generate one directly in Heygen with a prompt. Let's create something from scratch. Give it a name, select age, gender, and ethnicity, and put in your prompt. Select the pose, meaning camera shot size of full body, upper body, or close-up face. Select the orientation, if you want to go landscape 16 by 9, for example, or portrait 9 by 16. Generate preview and wait for the images to be ready, then pick one you like and save it. Now click on the photo of your avatar, hover over to the three dots, and click Add Motion. This will generate a 10-second clip for you, which will be used for the talking avatar later. Make multiple shots so you can choose what you like best. After they are done, click on the video thumbnail. Notice the little AI video label on the left down corner. Play back your video. It will be talking already as a preview. Then press Create with AI Studio. Choose Landscape or Portrait. In the Studio editor, click on Script in the left menu bar. Now you can choose from various voices in the Heygen library and also select from up to 7 emotions to give your voice a personal touch. Edit your script and put in what you want your avatar to talk about. Then hit the play button for a preview. Notice how the timeline automatically updates to length of the speech. If you already have an audio file prepared, hit the cloud icon and upload a MP3 or WAV file of your pre-made voice. One last thing. If you are in landscape mode, be sure your image is filling out the whole screen. Otherwise, you might get white borders. Hit Submit and wait for your talking video avatar to be rendered.
Hi there. I am your personal AI assistant speaking video avatar. What can I do for you today?